Quick video here on the PURSNIC nightlight, which you can see I've got plugged right here into my child's bedroom wall. I've actually got a second one of these because it is a 2-pack in the other kids' room, but this one is just easier to show. So on the back, we have got the wall plug. It literally just plugs straight in. There is no app, no cables, no battery, no Wi-Fi. It's just plug and go, which I really like. On the front, you've got this big light panel, another light on the bottom, and also both of the sides. Okay, and on the top you've got a little sensor for if the room is dark or not, and a little slider that controls the brightness. Now if we plug it in for a quick demo, okay, oh there we go, look, so just cover the sensor to simulate it being dark, and you can see very little latency, the light comes on. So my kids are really happy with this because it's really nice brightness, and the slider just controls the brightness as well. So normally I have it on max when I put them to bed, and once they've fallen asleep I just turn it down a little bit so it's a little dimmer as well. But there we go, really happy, kids love it, I love it, happy days.